Hello, Michael. I was caught in a net until a few minutes ago, but a diver set me free.
I'm delighted about that. Actually, I'm delighted about everything today.
What are those sparkles coming out of your unlit cigarette, Michael?
This is a happy cigarette I have here. I'm in the middle of the ocean, so it's okay.
Will you need a tow to shore?
Nope. I'm having a perfectly good time just floating here and chilling.
Michael, you have to face your problems. You cannot just float off into the sunset.
I didn't say I was floating off into the sunset. I'm just floating over to that ship. It's full of sailors.
Oh. Now, I understand. I shall stand guard next to you to make sure it does not run over you and slice you to ribbons.
So what are you anyway?
I am a friendly passing dolphin. I was set free by a local diver. Unfortunately, before I could thank him sufficiently, a whale ate him. Now I must protect people.
That's awfully nice of you. I'm so glad I met you.
You know, I could probably get you a better swimming cap. You really need one with many latex flowers on it. Then we'll get you on Project Runway.
Well, I haven't been a model in ages.
It's okay. They will make you look fantastic.
Alright. Call the Stevens. When I'm done floating, I'll return to the runway.
I'm sure you'll do very well.
Will you tell Stanley to be nice to me?
Of course I will. What do you think of sequined water wings?
Very nice. I think a whale just burped up a diver.
I better check that out. See you later, Michael. Live long and prosper.